On the 5th day of Christmas, I give my iPad tip. Add things to notes. In today's tip, we're going to look at how you can add photos, scan documents, and add PDFs to the Notes app. So in this tip, I'm going to show you how to add photographs, scan documents, add PDFs, and scan text into a Apple Note. So let's open Notes. Let's start a brand new note by clicking on the square in the corner. Let's go full screen. Let's put a title. And now let's add a picture. I can add the picture by clicking on the photo and then choosing photo or video. Now I've got a photo here. I've also got a video. So I'm going to add them both. Add. There is my photo and my video. I'm now going to scan a document into this Apple Note. So let's tap on the camera. Let's go to Scan Documents. And let's find a document. There's a document here. It will automatically find it and take a picture. And then you can move on to the next page. It will find it. And it will automatically take the picture. You don't have to press anything to actually take the picture. Once you're happy, you can press Save, and then that document will be saved into the note. As you can see, you can pinch in and zoom it down, tap on each one and then pinch in and pinch out. What you can also do is tap on the pencil in the corner to get the annotations, and then you can annotate on this document. Turn off the pen to move to the next page. In addition to scanning a document into a note, you can also add a PDF that you've already got. So to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to press the 3 dots at the top there, and we're going to go to Split View. I'm now going to go to my Files app. Now I've got a document here. All right, I've searched for the document. This is the PDF that I want. I'm going to bring this document and I'm going to drag it into my note. And now my PDF is in my note. I can drag that back from that point, and there is my PDF. We can make this bigger by zooming in like so. Finally, one other thing that you can do. If we press the camera here and press Scan Text, I can now take the text here. I'm going to look at the text here and I'm going to press this little button in the corner. And it's going to take my text and then I can insert that into my document. And as you can see, it's taken what's in the document and converted it into text. This can be very, very useful. So that's adding photos, adding PDFs and scanning text into an Apple Note. In tomorrow's tip, we're going to look at using the Apple Pencil and how you can use it in the Notes app and other apps, as well as using Scribble, which turns writing into text.